Welcome back to the Throttle channel. Today we are introducing the Rolls Royce Spectre, a true masterpiece of automotive luxury. This stunning vehicle combines elegance, power, and unparalleled craftsmanship. Every detail of the Spectre has been meticulously designed. From the handcrafted grille to the exquisite paintwork, it exudes an air of sophistication and prestige. Step inside and you'll be enveloped in opulence. The interiors of the Spectre are meticulously crafted with sumptuous leather seats and hand-polished wood veneers that epitomize luxury. But the Spectre is not just about beauty. It boasts cutting-edge technology that seamlessly integrates with your lifestyle. From its intuitive touchscreen infotainment system to its advanced driver assistance features, this car takes luxury to new heights. Whether you're cruising through the city streets or embarking on a grand adventure, the Spectre ensures the utmost comfort and performance. It effortlessly combines power and refinement to provide an unrivaled driving experience. Thank you for watching this glimpse into the world of Rolls Royce Spectre. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest automotive innovations and luxury vehicles.